Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what are measure words? You use measure words in Cantonese to specify which types of objects you are talking about, just as English says, a pair of shoes or a bottle of water. Let's get into more details. Why and how do we use measure words or classifiers? Since there is no plural or singular form in Chinese, using measure words can be used to more precisely define the quantity of objects. To construct a phrase with measure words for counting, first start with the amount number. For example, yep, 1. Then the measure word, for example, go, followed by the noun, for example, 蛋糕, cake. Altogether, we have 一個蛋糕, 1 cake. Note that we cannot say it without the measure words. 一蛋糕, it doesn't make sense. Following the same steps, 3 cakes in Cantonese is 三個蛋糕. There are many measure words, but the most common measure word by far is 個. If you find yourself in a situation where you can't remember the exact measure words, you can simply use 個, and no one will think twice. Are there rules or patterns in using measure words? Yes, most of the nouns in the same category of shape, type, appearance, or usage have the same measure words. For example, upper body clothing, including tops, shirts, t-shirts, and jackets, they all use the measure word 件. And for clothing that you wear on the lower body, like pants, dress, or leggings, the measure word is 條. For example, 一條裙, 1 dress. For anything that comes in a pair, like shoes and gloves, we use 對. For example, 一對鞋, 1 pair of shoes. So sometimes you can guess the measure words based on items that fall in the same category. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見.